Hey Aurora, do you want to do an experiment with seawater and electricity?
Yeah.
Give me 5. Do you know where our solar panel is? Can you get it? Alright.
A lot.
Oh, it's a light too? Can you show me the light part? Whoa, cool! And this is solar panels, isn't it? It eats the sun and gives us electricity out of these little plugs. Hold on. I've prepared a plug. Can you plug it in? Here, let's plug it in there. Okay, now we should be getting negative voltage on here and positive on here. About 6 volts. I'm not sure if that'll be enough, but apparently if you apply electricity to some metal stuff and put it in seawater, stuff will start growing on the metal. I'm not sure if it grows on the positive or the negative end, but we're just going to put both in and find out. Alright, now we just need some pieces of metal. That's why I saved these. I think we'll just try on the lids. Can you grab that and let's go outside? Uh-oh, I think I lost my assistant. Here I've got a bucket of seawater that I got right over there. Ooh, look, there's the ocean. Okay, put the solar monster here. We can even open it and eat some electricity while we're doing this. And then we want to put one of these on each clip and just drop them in the water. Yeah, let me grab this one. Okay, let's put that one in the water. And let's get the other one. Put that one in there. Now I guess we just have to wait a while. Although, maybe I'll pull the actual clip part out in case this works. I don't want my clips all covered in stuff. It also helps to scratch up the surface a little bit to make sure this is touching the metal. You're washing your feet in our seawater? Hopefully that won't mess it up. Yeah, go for it. Alright, I'm going to drop the whole clips in there. Do you feel anything happening to your feet? Well, I know they're connected because this one's giving off either hydrogen or oxygen. I don't remember. I'd have to think about which one has which valence and which one would give off on the negative. But whatever. I'm splitting water. And hopefully, supposedly, crustifying some minerals in the water onto one of these plates. Okay, I'm getting bubbles, right? Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. Now if I go in here and grab the other electrode and yank it out, oh look, they just stopped. If I touch it back to the water, bloop, starts again. No, it's hard to see on the camera because the water's getting all stirred up. But there are definitely bubbles coming off there. And they stop instantly when I take the other one out. Science is fun. Now I'm wondering why the positive one isn't giving off any noticeable amount of bubbles. I can't remember which one would come off which. I need a periodic table of the elements. I think, okay, hydrogen is like the first element. I think oxygen is like 4 or something. Wait, would they, which one would be the negative? H2. There's 2 hydrogens and an oxygen in there, and they're connected, and, alright, I should be able to remember some of this. Hey, there's Aurora. Most amazing video game ever. Yeah. Alright. We get H2O, right? So we have hydrogen and oxygen and another. What's that? Oh, you have your phone?
That.
Cool. Are you going to take pictures with it? Of our experiments?
That.
Oh. Alright. Hydrogens have 1 electron. And oxygens have, I think it's 4. Why Why does that sound wrong? Anyway, they'd have 2 in their inner layer, and then this layer can have 4, but they only have 2 there. So when it connects, that's why there's 2 of them, right? So the hydrogen shares one with this, that brings it up to 3, and then another hydrogen over here makes that 4, and that completes the things, and that's why it's stable. Okay, then to break it off, you need to, okay, you need to add the negatives to here, and take them off of here. Right. Alright, yeah, so the hydrogens are gonna pop off where they hit a source of negatives. And the oxygens are gonna pop off where they hit a source of positives. I think. So I think I'm getting hydrogen. Am I doing that right? I'm not sure. Deshana just went to look it up though. So in a few minutes I should find out if that was actually right or not. Or I could just capture some of the gas that's coming off there with a jar and light it. And if it burns like whoosh, then it's hydrogen. And if it just makes the flame on the thing I'm using brighter for a second, then it's oxygen. Did I say hydrogen was a whoosh? Yeah. Alright. Ooh. Empty jam. Bummer that there's no jam left, but good for my experiment. Oh, I can't do this with one hand. Oh, yes I can. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna have to sit here holding this unless I get something to hold it. Okay, there we go. It's stuffed up inside there. And we're collecting bubbles. And the water's getting real brown. I'm gonna have to look up why that is.
The water's brown.
What's that, Aurora?
The water's brown.
It is brown. It looks like pee, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like pee-pee? No? Wait, you think it looks like dupe?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, don't touch the dupe. Yeah, check. We still getting bubbles? Yep. Oh, maybe it's just rusting that fast. Does the electricity make it rust faster? Actually, that would kind of make sense. Maybe. Oh, that's where the oxygen is going. Duh. It's rusting that piece over there. That would make total sense. Well, that would explain why there's no bubbles coming off that one. And supports my theory that this is hydrogen. Oh, good thinking. I'm gonna try putting a little stainless steel bowl on the positive one. Stay there for a second. Oh, it's a dupe?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, look, the one we pulled off the positive has little black stuff on it. On the part where the iron is exposed. Oh, here we go. Okay, hydrogen's 1, I knew that. Oxygen is 8, not 4. But that's because the valence shells go 2 and 8, not 2 and 4. Okay, the math still is the same. I knew oxygen was missing 2 to fill up a electron cloud. Oh, and just in case anyone's getting funny ideas, don't do this with any kind of high voltage, because you'll electrocute yourself. 6 volts isn't enough to do anything. But like 120 that like comes out of a plug, yeah, that would kind of hurt. 240 would be even worse if you were in Europe. Okay, I've sent the children's away for this part, you know, just in case. I should have flammable bubbles. Yeah.
Can you get an orange one out of the package?
Well, the first one definitely lit. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's hydrogen. What am I doing? I just, remember we put the jar in to catch the bubbles? I tipped it so the bubbles would come out, and I lit them on fire, and they went poof. I was checking that the bubbles were flammable. And they were. That means it's hydrogen. Maybe we can come up with some good hydrogen experiments later too. Or even some cool things to do with it. To use it for some kind of good stuff. Oh, careful, that one's sharp. Oh, and since I didn't let you come and see the hydrogen on fire, you want to see it on the camera? Okay, let me stop it.